Complex whole, which includes knowledge, beliefs, arts, moral customs, and other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of society. Ibig sabihin, ito yung kabuuan ng mga paniniwala, kaalaman, or anumang nakukuha ng isang individual as a part of society. Or sa madaling salita, it is the way of life or design for living. Paano ito? Example, nagising ka sa umaga. Nagligpit ka ng hinigaan mo. Culture yon. Nagsipilyo ka. Culture yon. Nagilamos ka ng mukha. Culture yon. Ayun ang way of life na sinasabi ko. Culture. Sabi nga kanina na culture is a complex whole wherein it includes many societal aspects. And these are attitudes, beliefs, language, customs, rituals, behavior, faith, and religion, food, art, music, and drama. Kahit yung K-drama, culture yun. Ngayon, if you are still confused about culture, let's discuss its characteristics. Sabi nga na, mas makikilala mo yung isang bagay o yung tao kapag nalaman mo yung characteristic niya. Kaya number 1, culture is everything.
Hi, everything!
It is what a person has, does, and thinks as part of society. Yung lahat ng example kanina is culture. Kung sa aspects pa nga lang na ito, nandiyan na yung behavior, nandiyan na yung faith, nandiyan yung religion, nandiyan yung language. So, culture is everything. So, kahit material na bagay pa yan, or mga idea na tinuro, mga methods, that is culture. Culture is everything.
Hi, everything!
Now, material culture, it includes all tangible and visible parts of culture. Siyempre, it includes clothes, foods, and even buildings. Or pag sinabing material culture, ito yung mga posible mong mahawakan or merong actual or real representation. On the other hand, non-material culture, it includes all intangible parts of culture, which consists of values, ideas, knowledge, methods, strategy, kung ano mang kaalaman. Example nito is yung mga ugali natin na pagmamano or pagiging hospitable. Yun, mga intangible na bagay yan or culture. O kahit material culture pa yan or non-material or tangible or intangible pa yan, it is still culture. Kaya nga sinabi na culture is everything. Another characteristic of culture is learned. Yan, culture is a set of beliefs, attitude, and practices that an individual learns. Kasi pwede naman talaga matutunan yung culture kahit nga sa panonood lang natin ng anime, Thai movies, Korean novelas. Natututunan natin yung culture ng ibang society. And natututunan natin yung culture na meron tayo dito sa lugar natin. Yan, so we have enculturation, acculturation, and deculturation. Kapag sinabing enculturation, it is a process of learning your own culture. Natututunan mo yung sarili mong kultura. Best example nito is yung bata pa tayo. Then, yung society na meron doon is pinag-aaralan or natututunan natin yung kultura na meron ang society natin. Example, tinuturuan tayo kung paano kumain. Tinuturuan tayo kung paano maligo. Nasa lugar natin, ang pagligo ay gamit ay tabo lang. Yun yung example ng enculturation. Next, number 2 is acculturation. Is a process of accommodating desirable traits from other culture. Sa acculturation, natututunan yung kultura ng ibang society. Like sa kultura ng Japan, kultura ng Chinese, kultura ng Koreans, sa kakapanood lang natin or meron man tao na nag-share sa atin, pwede natin matutunan yung kultura ng iba. At ang tawag doon is acculturation. Next, last one is deculturation. Culture has been lost and even cultural trait itself is in the process of being forgotten. Meaning, yung kultura ay unti-unti nang nakakalimutan or nawawala. Best example nito is yung nangyari nang sakupin tayo ng mga Spaniards. So, nirequire ng mga Espanyol na magpalit ng pangalan yung mga ninuno natin. Kasi dati yung mga pangalan lang naman, Sulaiman, Lapu-Lapu, mga ganon. Then, pinapalitan kaya nagkaroon ng mga Pedro, Juan. Sa deculturation, ito yung proseso na nakawawala or nakakalimutan yung kultura. Another characteristic is culture is shared. This implies that behavior cannot be considered as a culture if there is only one person practicing it. Siyempre, sabi nga na no man is an island. Sa culture din na hindi matatawag na culture kung isa lang yung nagpa-practice na yun to. Sa culture is shared, siyempre, ang kultura ay pwede nating i-share or pinagsasaluhan niya ng mga tao. Like kapag may bagong pagaling probinsya, nagdadala tayo ng mga foods na meron yung probinsya na yan. Sinishare natin yung kultura na yan. Then, pwedeng i-share sa atin ng ibang bansa yung mga culture nila by using products, videos, kung anumang bagay, nasi-share nila yung kultura nila. Yun yung culture is shared. Number 4 is culture varies from society to society. Every society has a culture of its own that differs from other societies. Culture are not uniform. The culture of every society is unique. Yun nga, kung nasi-share nga yung kultura ng iba, kung may acculturation nga na sinabi natin kanina, at yung nagpapatunay na culture varies from society to society. Wherein, kahit sa probinsya yan, dito sa Cavite, iba yung culture natin sa culture nila. May distinct culture tayo. Iba yung kultura ng Japan, iba yung kultura ng Thailand, Singapore, America, iba yung culture nila. Also, culture varies from time to time. Yan, since na may mga nagtitrend, bawat panahon nadadagdag, may bagong nauuso, may bagong pakulo. 5. Culture is adaptive. Culture is a tool for survival that humans use in response to the pressures of their environment. Best example nito is ikaw, nilagay ka sa isang bansa, then syempre, aalamin mo yung kung paano sila namumuhay sa lugar na yun. Pag-aaralan mo kung paano ka mabuhay doon. Kung natututunan niya, syempre pwede yan i-adapt. Number 6 is culture is maladaptive. Culture can also cause problems for the people who subscribe to it. These problems arise when environment is changed and culture has remained the same. Since na ang culture ay nag-i-evolve, syempre yung ibang matatanda or ahead sa atin is naiiwan ng development ng culture. Example, yung mga devices na bago ngayon, hindi na makakasunod yung isang tao or hindi na nakaka-adapt yung isang individual sa pagbabago ng kultura. Then nagaganap yung culture is maladaptive. Last, number 7, culture is continuous and cumulative. The final characteristic of culture, it is never static. The dynamism of culture is due to changing needs of humans as they interpret and survive in their environment. Sabi nga kanina na culture varies from time to time. Pero ang culture, nakakalimutan man yan, pero hindi yan nawawala. Continuous yan kasi nadadagdagan or cumulative ang culture. Di natin alam, may uuso na namang kanta, may uuso na namang dance challenge. Yun yung isang karakteristik ng culture. Continuous lang siya at cumulative. So those are the characteristics of culture. So pinapatunayan lang na kahit maliit na bagay yan, kahit simpleng gawain, that is culture na nag-shape sa ating society. Kaya kailangan natin respetuhin at i-appreciate kahit maliliit na bagay para sa successful life na meron tayo. Yun lang.